Hello everyone, my name is Kelly and today I'm going to show you how to replace LCD screen and digitizer for Samsung S5. I made a different approach because I have seen some videos on the internet and they just make a mess and it takes too long. So what I did different was heat it as much as you can. That's what I did. And it was actually pretty easy. So I used a heat gun. I heat it all for around 5-10 minutes, and I use the pick, guitar pick, and some usual tools like this one and this one. And the reason that I chose to do the digitizer and the LCD was because there was no image at all, so it of course you had to change the LCD. So after 10 minutes of heating up the phone, I was actually able to get a good look inside of it. You can see here. So now I'm going to try to take the whole thing off and just replace it, okay? Stay with me. Just have to use force. Here we go. As you can see, it came out pretty easily for now. And there's the glue. Hold on. So now I have a good look inside the phone, as you can see. I already bought a screen that comes with the home button and everything, so it's gonna make my life much easier. What I'm gonna do now is unscrew this and then open the case, the housing, and connect this cable from the home button. Okay? Stay with me. I'll be right back.
Before I show you how to remove the housing, I need to remind you guys of one thing. There's 3 screws here, and also you need to remove a little plastic thing that is here, and then there's a home button cable there. Okay, don't forget to remove it before you remove the housing. And these 2 screws and another one here. Okay, that's important. Now this was the hardest part for me because it is kind of very tight. It's very different from the other Samsung that I had worked on. You have to be very patient. Okay, if you're not patient, you're gonna probably break the plastic frame. You wanna use this really tight thing, and slowly but firmly go around the frame and push it open, okay? But do this very carefully again so you don't break the plastic frame. I already did, so I'm going to show you guys how it looks like. Here we go. Here's the circuit board. Now I'm ready to replace my client's screen. Here is the new screen. It already comes with the home button. Here's the other side. Now I'm going to put it on the right place. Let's do this.
So everyone, here's the phone working perfectly, and nothing else to say, but it's working perfectly. I hope you enjoyed this video, and subscribe. There's much more coming up. And if you have any doubts or any suggestions, feel free to write down comments, okay? Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye-bye.